The question says, which one of the following statements is a wrong statement? First one, total orbital angular momentum of electrons in s orbital is equal to 0. Second, the electronic configuration of an atom is this. Third one, an orbital is designated by 3 quantum numbers, while an electron in an atom is designated by 4 quantum numbers. Fourth, the value of m for dz2 is 0. The option is the second option. According to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, the correct electronic configuration of an atom is this is correct or hence option 2 violates Hund's rule. This was the answer.